Here's what's inside the SpaceX Starship torch, which is about a 1/200th scale of the actual Starship that has a functioning torch that you can use with butane. If you open the box, you're going to see some operating instructions that'll show you exactly how to get this torch started. Essentially, you're going to fill the top with butane and then adjust a switch to get the torch going. Here's what the actual Starship looks like. It's chrome and it's got a twistable top at the top so you can fill it with butane. Then to get it started, turn the safety off and flick the switch up and down. If you like what you saw, please consider supporting us by going to sortbyreviewcount.com. Sort by Review Count is an app that allows you to sort Amazon search results by most reviewed, which is helpful to find the most popular products. Here's how the Sort by Review Count app works. Just type in whatever product you want, say office chair. And the initial search, as you can see, is just mixed. Amazon has sponsored results and the like. So if you go into a specific department and then you click Sort by Review Count, now all of a sudden it sorts by the most popular, which is pretty helpful and can help you find the best product.